Hello everyone, and welcome back to our SketchUp Pro series for beginners. In our previous video, we discussed how to create copies, arrays, and components to enhance your designs. If you missed that tutorial, be sure to check out the link in the description box below. Now, in today's tutorial, we're going to focus on modeling a house from scratch using basic tools in SketchUp. Whether you're a new architect or an interior designer, this video is essential for you. If you're new here, don't worry, we'll guide you through step by step. So, let's dive right in. Now, let's draw a rectangle. Type 19 feet, 20 feet, and hit enter. This rectangle represents the base of our house. Remember, you can adjust the size according to your preferences or project requirements. Once you have your base, use the push-pull tool to extrude it upwards and type 10 feet. This will create the walls of your house. Adjust the height as needed. Now, let's tackle the roof. There are two ways to draw a roof. Number 1, draw a line from the center point of the rectangle upward, then give it a height of 6 feet. Next, extend the line to one corner of the rectangle, then to the opposite corner. This will create a face resembling a triangle. Now, delete the center line. We will then extrude this face using the push-pull tool. This method takes too much time. Let's see second method. Select the line tool and draw the line in the center of the rectangle. Then, use the move tool and push upward about 6 feet. Then you can use the F key or click the offset tool to adjust your roof edges. Input a value, like 6 inches, to set the thickness. You see this really easy and fast method. Use the line tool for custom designs. Clean up with the eraser tool. Select the face and then right-click on your mouse, select group. This will create a group for the face. Now, copy this group and then delete it. Click outside the grouped base part, then click on the Edit button at the top and select Paste in Place. Next, double-click on the roof to enter its group. Then, use the push-pull tool to extrude it outward by 1 foot. Extrude the backside as well by 1 foot, just like we did on the front side. Now, the roof is also ready. Fantastic! Our house is taking shape. Next, let's add windows and doors to bring life to our design. Now, let's move on to adding a door to our simple house model. First, we'll determine the door's location using guides. Activating the tape measure tool, we'll set guides for the door's position, say 2 feet from the wall. Then we use a tape tool and extend the width of the door frame by 3 feet, 6 inches. The door height is 7 foot. Then, we'll create a door outline using the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle. And select all lines by holding the Control key and using an offset to form the frame, perhaps by 2 inches, and make a group. Next, we'll push-pull the frame to match the wall's thickness, maybe 6 inches. Now, for the door, we'll draw a rectangle inside the frame. Push-pull it to the desired thickness of 1.9 inches, and we make a group. Moving on to the window, we'll use guides again to mark its location, perhaps 3 feet off the wall, 5 feet wide, and 5 feet tall. Draw a rectangle, group it, and we'll offset it by 2 inches. Then push-pull it by 6 inches. Adding materials, we'll select appropriate textures for roofing, siding, and window frames using the Paint Bucket tool. Ensuring materials are applied to separate faces where necessary. Finally, And there you have it, a beautifully modeled house using SketchUp Pro's basic tools. Don't forget to save your work and experiment with different designs. Before we wrap up, here are some tips to make house modeling easier. 1. Start with a simple floor plan and gradually add details. 2. Utilize components and groups to organize your design. 3. Take advantage of SketchUp's built-in resources, such as 3D Warehouse, for ready-made objects. 4. Practice regularly to improve your skills and confidence in using SketchUp Pro. Thank you for joining us in this tutorial. We hope you've gained valuable insights into SketchUp Pro's capabilities. Stay tuned for more exciting tutorials in our Getting Started with SketchUp Pro for Beginners series. If you have any specific questions or need more information about any feature, feel free to ask in the comments section. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Until next time.